Hello. In this video, I will show you how to use local datetime functions in your dashboards. Local datetime functions are used when you want to use a dynamic or changeable date rather than a static or fixed date for any date field in your dashboard. Here are the most common used. Local date time today returns a datetime value corresponding to today. Local date time now returns a datetime value corresponding to the current moment in time. Local date time this week returns a datetime value corresponding to the first day of the current week. Local date time next week returns a datetime value corresponding to the first day of the following week. Local date time last week returns a datetime value corresponding to the first day of the previous week. Weeks start on a Sunday for these functions. Local datetime this month returns a datetime value corresponding to the first day of the current month. Local datetime next month returns a datetime value corresponding to the first day of the next month. Local datetime last month returns a datetime value corresponding to the first day of the previous month. Local datetime this year returns a datetime value corresponding to the first day of the current year. Local datetime next year returns a datetime value corresponding to the first day of the following year. And local datetime last year returns a datetime value corresponding to the first day of the previous year. These functions are located under the datetime category in the expression editor. To create a calculated field using this function, under the Data Sources tab in the Main Dashboards menu, first click Add Calculated Field. Next, name the calculated field. You can use this function in other functions such as the inline if function, filtering, and a parameter, or you can use it by itself to just return the date time you are wanting. To use it by itself, all you need to do is either find the function in the datetime category or start typing local date time and select the function you are looking for. For example, we will return the date time for this current month. Click Save, and now you can use this function as a date item for your dashboard. If you would like to use it for filtering your data, to see how to use filtering, visit our other training video on filters. I will show you an example. We will want to filter the dashboard to only show data after the first of this year. The filter criteria will look like this. Order date is greater than local date time this year. Now you can start using the datetime functions to shape your dashboard. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at support@logic.us or visit our support portal. Thank you.